Welcome back to Infinky Infopedia. Today we'll discuss the exciting world of virtual reality, focusing on the highly anticipated Quest 3S. The Meta Quest 3 is currently priced at $499, which, while not exactly budget-friendly, offers an impressive range of features that justify its cost. But here's where it gets interesting. There are rumors circulating that a more affordable version, called the Quest 3S, expected to retail for just $299 for the 128GB model, when it offers double the storage compared to the Quest 2 at its launch price. Additionally, it's still $200 cheaper than the non-S version of the Quest 3, making it a compelling option for newcomers to the VR scene. Meta is set to unveil all the details at their upcoming Meta Connect 2024 conference, scheduled for September 25th and 26th in Menlo Park. You'll be able to catch the live stream on platforms like Facebook, so be sure to tune in. In a recent leak at video shared by Peacock, we got a sneak peek of some key features of the Quest 3S. It's designed with two IR tracking cameras and IR illuminators, plus dual pass-through cameras, which means it's set to deliver impressive mixed reality capabilities. Whether you're gaming, exploring virtual environments, or integrating VR into your daily life, this headset promises to enhance your experience. The Quest 3S represents a significant upgrade in graphics, boosting LCD screens with a resolution of 1832 x 1920 pixels per eye. This enhanced clarity provides sharper images and more intricate details, greatly enriching your immersion in virtual environments. Additionally, with refresh rates of up to 120 Hz, you can expect smoother visuals, which minimizes motion blur and offers a more fluid experience, especially during fast-paced action. Comfort has also been prioritized with the 3-position IPD-IAD adjustment, allowing you to customize the lens spacing for your unique eye distance. This feature not only enhances visual clarity but also reduces strain during extended use. By combining stunning graphics with thoughtful design, the Quest 3S ensures that you enjoy a captivating and comfortable VR experience, making every moment in the virtual world even more engaging. The Quest 3S runs on the powerful Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chipset, designed specifically to tackle the challenges of extended reality. This gives it the performance boost needed for high-quality graphics and seamless interaction. It will utilize the same controllers as the regular Quest 3, ensuring consistency for users who may already own the original model. Overall, the Meta Quest 3S is shaping up to be a fantastic option for anyone looking to dive into the world of virtual and mixed reality without breaking the bank. Its combination of affordability, advanced features, and enhanced graphics makes it an exciting addition to the VR landscape. What do you think about the upcoming Quest 3S? Are you looking forward to its release? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Infinky Infopedia for more tech insights and updates. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.